Deliciously succulent and highly nutritious, chayote is technically a fruit, but it's handled and eaten like a vegetable. In this video, I'm going to share how to prepare it, and hopefully you'll also enjoy one of the simplest yet tastiest meals you can make with it. There are multiple ways on how to prepare chayote. This is just one of them. After washing the chayote, I removed the pointed end and used the flattened part to make it stand for easier halving. Then I sliced the halves into quarters to make peeling the skin and de-seeding easier. Dividing the chayote into parts may require some pressure, so for this, I recommend using a dependable chef's knife or the equivalent. These chayotes feature a smooth skin, but please know that some chayote varieties can be prickly, so approach with care or accordingly. Chayote is one of the healthiest vegetables out there, even though it is actually a fruit. It is naturally rich in vitamins and minerals, high in fiber, and yet it's low on calories. I will leave some helpful links and information in the description box. Next, prepare a bowl and a paring knife before you start peeling and de-seeding. I'll let you watch the video since it's self-explanatory. In essence, first I carefully remove the seed and the thin white part that encases it. Then I peel the skin. After this, I switch back to my chef's knife to make thin chayote slices, especially for today's recipe. I'm making sautéed chayote with ground pork, and this approach is suitable for that. You could do julienne strips or 1 to 2 inch blocks depending on what you are cooking. My chayote familiarity comes from Asian and Salvadorian cuisine exposure. I have heard that in some countries, chayote is prepared as a salad or as a boiled snack. I love when chayotes are cooked and I enjoy their succulence. Through these slices, you can already see some translucency, but that's going to be even more visible once it's cooked, and that's where we're headed next. For today's recipe, we will need, of course, our prepared chayotes. A ½ pound of ground pork. Please feel free to modify this recipe by using your protein of choice. 2 medium-sized Roma tomatoes, white onion, and yellow ginger. I also prepared some oregano, 1½ tablespoons of balsamic vinegar, 1½ tablespoons of soy sauce, light soy sauce, salt and pepper. You may adjust the quantity based on your preference. We will also need some greens. Feel free to use spinach, kale, or whatever is available in your area. We're using baby greens here, which we'll add at the end. We begin by adding a little bit of extra virgin olive oil. Just a small amount because our meat has fat content, so we don't need a lot. Onion and ginger go in first. Followed by 1/2 to 3/4 of the diced tomatoes. We're sautéing, not caramelizing, so as soon as we see that our onions are transparent, we need to add our ground pork, followed by the salt and pepper. Stir and make sure that everything is well combined. Then pause the stirring to add the soy sauce, balsamic vinegar, and chayote slices. Mix, cover the pan or pot, and let it simmer for 15 to 20 minutes or until the chayote has softened. After 15 minutes or so, when the chayote slices have softened, remove the cover and add the greens. Sprinkle the mixture with oregano. Cover the pot again for 5 minutes to allow everything in the pot to cook thoroughly. Then add the remainder of the tomatoes. Stir until everything is well combined. Taste it and make your salt and pepper adjustments if necessary. This is my recipe, and I left some notes below for additional recommendations. That's it. I hope you enjoy making this at home too. It sounds deceptively quick and easy, but this simple recipe is incredibly tasty. You may pair this with rice, noodles, baguette, or crackers. For today's lunch, I've prepared some mixed rice plus cucumber and tomato slices. My name is John, and Jonda is my online cafe. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, and see you next time.